crazy dogs with us. Sasha? And Leo. I don't know if we can probably even see him back there. Oh, yep, I see his head popping up.
Try putting a harness
Crazy?
on it.
You're crazy. You're crazy, buddy. You're crazy, buddy. Come on. Oh, here, let me use it. Oh, I don't got my drone. Oh, I'm missing something. Here, give me a dipstick.
You want Sasha. She isn't listening to me. She's done.
You want Leo?
Yes. Leo, you can just...
Alright, we can let him off now. Here. Sasha, come on. Hey. Oh, he's pooping. Get her, Leo. Lick her up.
Please, Dad, don't.
Get her.
It's all in my hair.
That's hilarious.
All the things that flow through my mind, but it's just a sweet, sweet fantasy, baby. When I close my eyes,
Alright. Mavic 2. I know I can go off my pad here. Funny. Funny.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Yeah. You want me to come down there? Oh, alright. Well, let me get over here first.
God, he licked my face so many times. How far can this thing go?
I don't know what, test it out. Where am I at? Oh, I'm gonna go over to the water. Through the trees, not very far, so. But this open space should go a long dang ways. I'm gonna kick her into sport mode.
Oh my god, that thing is going.
I think I have my limit set at 3,000 feet. I might have set it at 9,000. I'm like a mile away right now. I wonder how high I am. Oh, it tells me. Height 66 feet.
Where are you even at? Are you past it?
No, I'm like just about to the lake. Oh my god, I want to go see it. Looks like a dam over there. Oh, I'm still going. Oh, I put 9,000 meters. That's like a lot. I think it's stopping. I'm scared now.
What would you do? You couldn't do anything, could you?
Cry.
Why don't you turn it around?
I am. Which way's back though?
Doesn't it tell you?
Oh yeah, I can do a map. Good thinking, good thinking.
Can't you do where it just flies back to you?
Coming back.
Oh my god, is that where we started? Walk by me every night.
But I mean, let me get this thing back. How about first?
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Go home.
It's flying home by itself.
That's fine as long as it makes it here. Must be some wind or something. Oh my god, I'm nervous now. Like, I feel like I should shut something off or something. Maybe I'll shut the camera off. That takes battery, you think? Power?
Dad, you can't even see it.
It's going 26 miles an hour. And it's not even a mile yet. I got 40% battery left. 39. Man, it really eats that battery up fast.
Alright, what is it at now?
37. You see it yet? It's half a mile away. It's up higher, I think. It's nerve-wracking.
Where is it now? How far away is it?
It's not too far.
Shouldn't
1,000 feet.
Shouldn't we be able to see that?
You'd think so, huh? It's probably over Denver. I think it's about here. No, I see it coming towards us somewhere.
I hear it.
Do you? Oh, there it is. Up high.
Okay, my hair is gonna get chopped off.
No, it won't. I got this recording. Yep. Oh, I got my nervousness recording the whole time.
That's so gross. Walk by every night. I have to grab it by those things.
No, in the middle, right? Middle of the drone. It's gonna like bounce up at first, but
Oh my god, Dad, I can't catch it.
hold on, I'll just come right above you.
Dad, what are you doing? This
Alright.
is so cold. I
Grab it in
can't-
the middle, right?
No.
Got it. Got it?
Do you know this song? I found it on a movie and why are you saying hey?
I said, hey.
Hey, come on. Do you hear this song?
I know that you are something special. To you, I'd be